How to get rid of promotional emails in your inbox. How's your inbox doing? If you get into your inbox, chances are that it's littered with a lot of promotional emails, and you are thinking, how do I get rid of this? Clicking on one to delete them one by one might take a lot of time, and most times you just ignore it. Today I'm going to be showing you a secret of how to get rid of all the promotional emails in your inbox. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited to have you back. How are you doing today? Okay, so let's go and see how to get rid of all the promotional emails in your inbox. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video which we release every single day. Just like our video, share it, and make sure to comment. If you have any question, please use the comment section. Let's go now and see how to get rid of promotional emails in your inbox. Okay, so guys, the first thing you need to do in order to get rid of the promotional emails in your inbox, in your Gmail, is to log into your account. Please do this on a laptop or a desktop, all right? On a laptop, beg your pardon, on a laptop or a desktop, okay? Log into your Gmail account. So I will just log in to the Gmail account. Because I'm already signed in here, it will just take me straight to the inbox. Okay, so sign into your account, and it's pretty simple, right? You can see there's a lot of promotional emails inside this inbox, and for most people who have Gmail, this is their story, right? A lot of promotional emails from here and there. So simply go to this search bar. Can you see it? Search. This search email bar, right? This search email bar, you go there and type unsubscribe, right? Unsubscribe. Type it in the search bar and click enter. Unsubscribe, and you punch enter. That's all. It's going to pull up all the promotional emails. You can see everything here. They are all promotional emails. All of them are all promotional emails, right? You can see there's no important email here apart from promotional emails. All right, so what do you do next? After typing unsubscribe and hitting enter, just go straight to this box, this one here, and you see it, and check it, select it. It will select all the email, right? To select everything, there are 50 here. Select everything, and I will just punch delete. Very simple process. It will wipe out all of them at once. It will wipe out everything at once. Okay, now because most inboxes are set to 50 email, right? To show 50 email, you can actually increase the number. Let's say you have a lot of promotional emails and you don't want to be deleting 50-50, because of course you're going to be deleting as much as the one that show on the screen at a time. You can also increase the number of emails that show on a single page. How do you do that? So you just come here, settings, all settings, right? Settings, all settings, then the number of email to show. Let me now take, you can see maximum page to show 50. I will just increase the number to 100, right? Increase the number to 100, and I will go down and save my changes, right? That means I can now delete up to 100 emails at once. It will help me to delete these promotional emails fast, because deleting 50 when you have thousands might still take your time. So now I've increased it to 100, right? If I go back and hit on subscribe, right? Unsubscribe, and I hit enter as usual, right? And I come here, this box here, remember, and you check it, select it. Now it's selecting, instead of 50 emails, it is selecting 100 emails. Can you see that? Because I just went to increase it to the maximum number of emails that can be displayed on a single page. So it is now selecting 100 emails. What do? I go back and I hit and delete, and of course it will wipe 100 promotional emails of my inbox. With this method, you can quickly delete all the promotional emails littering your inbox, right? Consuming your space. Remember, Gmail gives you only 15 gig. After 15 gig, you start to pay, right? So all these promotional emails are taking up space that you need for important emails and of course important things. So what do? You wipe all of them out, clear your inbox, and make sure it is fresh. And if you can do this on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, right, your inbox will be clean and neat and have all the emails that are important, that are useful to you. So guys, this is how to clear, delete, or remove all the promotional emails from your inbox. If you have gotten value from the video, as usual, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and of course like our video, share it with family and friends, and of course come back to the channel because we release fresh video every single day. I will see you tomorrow.